Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you know, I'm Honey Lala, and today I have another wig revamp for you guys. The before of this wig was horrible, but you know, I worked a little miracle on this wig and I really like it. So if you want to know how I did this, then just keep watching. And at the end, if you like it, just give it a thumbs up. And while you're here, before we get started, you might as well just go ahead and click the subscribe. And if you're a true member of the Honey Hive, click the notification bell so you can get alerted when I upload things. But enough talking, let's get into the video.
Hey, I cannot play
Rockin' with DJ Young Kid.
Where the bitch attitude. Yeah, whoa, damn. I cannot play with the bitches attitudes. All you want is cash, all you do is choose. Yeah, 12 making me broke, so I'ma break some rules. I've been trapped in this trap, so we got different views. You see niggas tryna flex, I see a liquor too. I can't see you for the sex, are you a liquor bull? You see a twist in the plot, I see a whirlpool. You see vice on my block, I see some pigs in blue. But I got vices on this rock, the earth under my shoes. Never stand on no stand, don't tell on your bro. Never fall for no hole, that's against the code. Don't you know, it might be to the death row. Look at the death toll, feel like I'm on death row. The way that my set moves, I sit in motion like a grove. I be riding through a hole, like CJ in a grove. I might bust in your crib with a whole lot of cheat codes. Bro got the air, he go with that tool like a motherfucking crowbar. No more fucks, these niggas wanna act like I ain't going hard. I be sipping on a whole lot of walk hard. I be dripping, all them bitches hard. I cannot play with they bitches attitudes. All you want is cash, all you do is choose. Yeah, 12 making me broke, so I'ma break some rules. I've been trapped in this trap, so we got different views. You see niggas tryna flex, I see a liquor too. I can't see you for the sex, are you a liquor bull? You see a twist in the plot, I see a whirlpool. You see vice on my block, I see some pigs in blue.
Something. This shit costs more to your rent. My toilet costs more to your rent. Everything in my bathroom costs more to your rent. And see, this is my closet. Everything here would be designer. Gucci, Louis, Versace. And also, when I was 6 years old, I lived in Atlanta and I was broke as hell. But one day I woke up, I said to myself, I ain't gonna be broke no more. So I got up and I started working hard, moving bricks, and now we be living in the hills. See that view? Y'all don't have that view. And I be holding your mom's rent. This bed cost me a Lamborghini, and I worked hard. So if y'all work hard, y'all can accomplish your dreams just like I did.
Hey, yeah, became my own boss, now they don't like me. Fuck a gun control, man, no more fighting. I'ma fuck you, shoot a movie like I'm Spike Lee. Don't get mad, little bitch, just get like me. Hey, became my own boss, now they don't like me. Fuck a gun control, man, no more fighting. I'ma fuck you, shoot a movie like I'm Spike Lee. Don't get mad, little bitch, just get like me. Very hot and sexy, call me VHS. Yeah, how life is a movie, no more VHS. Yeah, live like DJ Khaled, nigga, we the best. Yeah, A-side on me, tatted on my fucking chest. Smooth, album coming soon. Walk it like you talk it, always shoot you to the moon. Ay, if I die tomorrow, just know I went out a goon. Yeah, I won't show no sorrow for a goofy or a goon. Whoa, tell me about you. Yeah, boy, how about you? Robin and the truth, tell me what you got your so local with your moves. How could let them C notes have my baby singing blues? Shades on a nigga like I'm Ray Charles. That on me wanna be my bae now. You take the football to your head, I tell her hey on. Hey, this Gucci and the jury, it can't stay off me. Became my own boss, now they don't like me. Fuck a gun control, man, no more fighting. I'ma fuck you, shoot a movie like I'm Spike Lee. Don't get mad, little bitch, just get. Hey, yeah, became my own boss, now they don't like me. Fuck a gun control, man, no more fighting. I'ma fuck you, shoot a movie like I'm Spike Lee. Don't get mad, little bitch, just get like me. Hey, became my own boss, now they don't like me. Fuck a gun control, man, no more fighting. I'ma fuck you, shoot a movie like I'm Spike Lee. Don't get mad, little bitch, just get like me.